Welcome to Semper Item Signature. Don't forget to comment, like, share, all bell, and subscribe.
I'll spend time to write and sign your request.
Are you a small YouTuber who is worrying about subscriber or mostly longing to get the required watch hour and to reach the threshold you yearn before? Those are not the worries you need to be bothered. If you find already the best of you to be offered, like you, I am also a small YouTuber. Not even known, but I have a desire to share and to express my stand. Using my thoughts with a heart and a creative hand, I'll tell you there are lots of discouragement, most especially to a limited views and comment, but these would not stop our dream. Instead of Mark to accelerate our game, there is no need to use more account for viewing, or even using more gadgets for ads earning. Those will only cause invalidity of your analytics, freezing of revenues, and issues of traffics. All of us really strive harder to be monetized, and we are deserving to receive the prize. Let us protect our channel and by planting meaningfully, for it is so pleasant to harvest. If you're doing it accordingly, no matter your uploads doesn't reach thousands of views, as long there is still one who continue to watch and follow. That evidence plays very significant for us to share if others can do. Why I can't? No discouragement. Just continue to share instead. Be a blessing, motivates, and let everyone be inspired.